Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to get your light switch like this. This is a tutorial on if you're really bored. So if you're watching this video, you must be bored. Okay, so the first DIY is this to customize your own light switch like this. I'll be showing you in a little bit. Bye! Okay, so I'm going to be doing it on this light switch, and I just got these two tapes at the dollar store. They were 50 cents each, so I only spent like $1 on both of these. So yeah, I saw these at the dollar store, and so basically how I do it is I rip off a little piece. Be careful because these are very thin, and I'm gonna do it a little longer than my light switch. So this is about how long I would need them. I just ripped it off and stuck it on this side of it, and I wanted to make sure that mine are really up against the light. So I have a little wrinkle in mine, as you can probably tell, and I just like peeled this off and smoothed it on the way up, and that's how you have your first row. And then I did the zebra print now, and I made it longer than my other light switch, so this will be good. And then you want to make sure that you cover up this mistake, or not mistake, but cover up that extra, just to give it a little bit of darkness there. That's what I think about it. You don't have to do it, it's optional, completely optional. And then I will be right back with you. Okay, so I just kind of cut off the extra right here. And so, yeah, and I had to go. So, yeah, that's how I did that. And then I just basically am going the way around. So I'm going to cheat on that side, so I'm doing cheat on this side. Made it a little longer, or make it a little longer. Always make sure that you do it a little longer so it can cover up the previous little extra that you made. And I don't know about you, but like, see how this is like kind of jagged right here? I always try to make it on the smooth side right here, covering up this part, just so it's easier for me. I don't know, but it just seems easier. So I covered up that, and then I did it right up against the light switch again, and try to pull it tight so you don't get any crinkles. So then taking my zebra again, and made a little longer than it was supposed to be. And I made this extra long so I could cover up both sides. What? Oh, I just heard my parents call. I'm sorry, but I have to go. Okay, so my parents just needed me for a minute, and then they're gone. And I just covered up not covered up, I cut off with these scissors the little extra that were right here. So that's what I did. And then if you want, you can put another layer, like you can put the zebra print like right here, and then the cheetah print right here, just to make another layer. But I don't really feel like doing that. I'm gonna do mine on the inside, I guess, so you can just kind of be crazy or whatever. I'm gonna do mine on the outside. I'm gonna make little corners. So how I do that is I take top color. So on the top it would be a zebra, so I'm gonna take the zebra and make a little line right there. I can get this tape going. Okay, so I just kind of did it about that long off the thing, as you can see. So then I'm just gonna rip this off, and then number 1. I hope you liked it, and I hope you do it, because it's super easy and super cool. Okay, so remember to check me out on Kenzie Pie. I made a gymnastics video, and I made a how I get ready for dance video. And I hope you watch all 3 of those. I am super excited to post more, and remember, I do them every Tuesday.